A kalamkari. Vanakkam, Sunita here. That's so beautiful that words are just stuck in my mouth and don't want to come out. This is very close to heart collection of mine. Pretty kalamkari, and that's done on a Gadwal Siko sari. What are Gadwal Sikos? The whole body is silk cotton, which is black in color, and it's got nice beige and gold color thread woven checkers, self checked, and along that plain borders we have done kalamkaris, and we have done very pretty tassels for them. And the pallu and the blouse is the highlight. These are priced at 14,980 rupees, and you're going to love them when I'm going to open. These are mind-blowingly pretty and beautiful. There are few collections that don't repeat itself, and how much ever you try to repeat, as these are hand done, every mind and thought and imagination that goes in a sari differs every time the drawing happens. So this is one of amazing collections that we have ever got. I personally liked it. I also would suggest you to enjoy the video, seeing, and let us know your likings about the sari on the comment below. We will definitely love to understand. We're making a lot of them in future, depending on your response for such interesting collections, because generally Gadwal silks and all, if you're going to do kalamkaris, they would cost you around more than 30,000, 35,000, 40 plus and all. These are Sikos, and you will not even know why, because the whole body is Siko, the border and pallu is pure silk, so there is no difference at all. The way the sari falls and the way it moves around, it's so amazing, so skin friendly and wearable, that you're going to love the way it is going to look. I'm going to open the sari for you to make you understand. Just open up now. So the tassel is such romantic red color tassels we have done, and the design is here on the border, double side border, so double side designs. Let me go for the kalamkari. Where have we done the pen kalamkari? On the borders, okay. And that's the sari. See, look at the way she is, so beautiful, and the whole body has got woven checkers. The temple is the highlight for Gadwals and for this also. Oh, look at the tassel, and that's the traditional kalamkari pallu with peacocks. Generally we do applique works for you, but now it's a hand drawn pen kalamkari tassel with tassels and tassel close madappa. That's the beautiful tassel, romantic red tassels done, and the blouse is another highlight. That's the blouse of the sari, nice grey base and a greyish blue color blouse, full torsama blouse. That's the entire blouse for almost 80 centimeters in sari panna, very much suitable for healthy people as well. And that's the blouse and the pallu and the body. The entire sari opens up to be so classy. 14,980. Just grab this beautiful collection and enjoy having her in your wardrobe. And let me show you the flow. Adನ್ನು ಒಂಚೂರು open ಮಾಡಿ, turn ಮಾಡಿ. That's the backside view. Elegancy redefined, ethnicity redefined is Vastram Silk's tagline. This is elegancy redefined for this sari. Oh, I'll just tie it for the doll and post a picture for you, and people will go crazy. I'm saying you guys will go crazy by doing this. But certain saris, they just only the looks doesn't matter. Sometimes the feel, fall and the texture matters. Everything is 100% and more for the sari. Adnu onchuru single open ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಿ. Let them enjoy the beauty of the material. It's a silk border and a silk pallu with a silk cotton body, and the price I am giving is because this is our anniversary month. After this, you're not going to get. These are all those making cost. I just want my clients to enjoy the anniversary month for Vastram. We have successfully crossed 8 happy years with you, with all the love and affection that you have showed us. We are growing in immense multiple folds, and immense happiness is there in our entire journey, and that's just possible because of you all. And thank you all for being with us. We expect you to be with us for our silver jubilee and golden jubilee also. So hope we grow with you and help us grow and support us with your love and affection. We'll also give you the best of possible collections. This is one among the best of kalamkaris that's so happy and budget friendly, and this price is this only for the anniversary month. 25th is our anniversary, February every year. So then, so this month the special day starts from 25th to 28th. For then you can buy this, but the entire month we are going in the cost, which is making cost and very very budget friendly collections for you. And happy shopping with Vastram. I don't know, words are stumbling because the beauty of the sari doesn't allow you to talk at all. So that's the sari in Kalamkari Gadwal. It's a pure Gadwal hand woven Siko sari with silk border and silk pallu and silk blouse with pen Kalamkari done in such a natural rustic color combinations. Happy shopping.